My name is Dawn McCambley and I have a commercial chancery practice with a particular emphasis on insolvency. The short answer is no. Ultimately, most people applying for pupillage will have a strong academic background. You want to try and make your CV stand out. Of course, we want to hear all about your legal work experience. Do not neglect that. We also want to hear about your extracurricular activities. Tell us about how you've excelled in sport or music or creative writing. But what else can you do? In my view, this is where the non-legal work experience can become important. Use it to build up your CV and try to highlight your transferable skills. So for example, if you've juggled a part-time job throughout university, that can be used to demonstrate good time management and commitment. Maybe try to provide a brief overview of the skill sets that were necessary for a particular role or placement. Try to highlight those which you think would help you succeed at the bar. Your non-law related work experience can attract attention to your CV in a good way and hopefully help you proceed through the paper selection process and be chosen for a first round interview. It's all about employability. You want to appear as employable as possible. But remember two things. One, be self-aware. There's no need to list every single non-law related role or job or placement that you've undertaken since the age of 11. And two, do try and keep it short. In my view, you should aim for a maximum of 2 pages for your CV overall. Otherwise, good luck.